Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is click on the Uploads tab. You're going to pick a image that you want to take the background out of, and you can enlarge it if you want, or you can keep it small. Go ahead and click the Edit Image tab at the top left, and you're going to search up background remover. So you could do BG remover too. So once you click that, it'll automatically take out the background. And if you want to add anything in the background or any of the background back, you can restore it or erase it. Mine is loading. So then, yeah, so after that, you can click apply or you just kind of keep working on it. So now, once you remove the background, you can add a color if you want to. And what I like to do is add a shadow. So once you click shadows, you go into the glow, and I like to create a white outline. So you're going to change the color to white and then increase the size, the transparency, and the blur. Once you do that, you can add it to a thumbnail, like a YouTube thumbnail or a flyer, but this makes the picture more apparent and distinct in your flyer. And that's how you take out the background and put the white outline around it.